Yo, what is up? Today I'm gonna show you how I do laundry on the road. Even though I'm technically at a house, I still utilize my own gear to do whatever I need to do. So first thing I do is I grab this bag here. It's called a Scrubba wash bag. It holds a lot of, well, you can only have to fill it up to this line right here. It shows like how much, depending on how much clothes you have. So today we're just gonna wash my t-shirt and a pair of fucking pants because they're grimy and gross. And just put them in this bag like so. And then we move over here to where I got some agua. Alright, so like I said, we got the bag. Then I got laundry soap here. Don't mind the freaking lawnmower in the back. Take about 2 scoops of this laundry soap and sprinkle it inside the bag. I just get powdered because it's easier to carry here and you don't really need a lot. And then you take any kind of water source you may have that's hopefully clean and you fill it up to the recommended line. I think I'm about to do here. So once this fills up to the line, I'll show you what to do next here. Once you get it filled up enough, you just roll it up, and it has on the bag, tells you exactly where to clip the bag. It has the instructions on the bag. So you just roll it up, so you get to the clip point, which I'm at now. You clip it. You take this little thing right here, it's like a little turn thing, like a valve more or less. This is how you let the air out. You just press down until you let all the air out. As you can hear it coming out. We can turn this camera here so you guys can see. And you let the air out like this. Then eventually you'll get water squirting out like that. And then when you tighten that back up, lay it flat on the ground. There's like a little scrub area here, as you can see. And then for 3 minutes straight, you just go like this. And I'll show you what to do after I'm done with this. So after you vigorously scrub this for 3 minutes, you undo it and you just dump all the water out. I'll show you here. Dump the water out, but don't dump the clothes out, obviously. Just dump the water out. You got to squeeze it to get the water out, like so. Oh God, went all over me. Alright, so you get the water out, and then you refill this thing up again to rinse it out. And once you rinse it out, you don't have to really scrub it, you can just shake it for a couple minutes, and then you just hang it up to dry. And that is basically how you do your laundry on the road, or at least that's how I do my laundry on the road.